And so when I put my heart and soul into a song like this, which I worked on at home and recorded at home, it becomes extremely special, especially when it becomes part of what is now known as a phenomenon in Philippine teleserye history. Hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, hanggang matapos ang kailan pa man, ikaw ang siyang mamahalin at lagi nang sasambahin. Manalig kang di ka naluluwa, giliw. At kung sadyang siya na ang iyong mahal, asahan mo ako'y hindi hahadlang habang ikaw ay maligaya, ako'y maghihintay, maging hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan, maging hanggang sa dulo ng, maging hanggang sa dulo ng, maging hanggang sa dulo ng walang hanggan. Walang hanggan. It's a bittersweet feeling to this one, because this one just ended last night.